Hi, in this video I'm gonna be walking through how to log any WhatsApp chat with fingerprint. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to do it. First of all, make sure your phone supports fingerprint unlock. Now you have to update your WhatsApp app. So go to your Play Store and search for WhatsApp. And here, if you see any update available, first of all, update your WhatsApp app. Now go ahead and open your WhatsApp app on your phone. And now go to the chat or conversation that you want to lock with fingerprint. Now tap on the chat name. And here scroll down and you will find this chat lock option. Just enable chat lock. And here we can see, keep this chat locked and hidden. Use your face or fingerprint to open this chat and read notifications on this device. Now all you have to do is just tap on continue. And here you have to verify your face ID or fingerprint to lock the chat. So just put your finger here to verify your fingerprint. Once done, as you can see, the chat has been successfully locked. Now I'm going back to my chat homepage, and as you can see, the chat is no more in my WhatsApp chat list. Now to find all of your hidden chats, just swipe down like this and the locked chat folder will be visible. Now just tap on locked chat and verify your fingerprint to access all of your locked chats. So that's how we can easily lock our WhatsApp chat with fingerprint. And to unlock any chat, again come to the chat and tap on the chat name and just disable chat lock. Verify your fingerprint to disable chat lock. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.